Good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful day right now in Oregon, and I'm stoked because we just had like 2 weeks of straight rain almost, and I'm over it. I really do not like the rain at all. Like, I really like this weather. I like warmer weathers. At some point in the future, whenever I reach my goals and whatnot, I'm gonna move. I want to go somewhere else that's kind of warmer all year round, but in today's video, it's going to be the quest to get these 500 miles on. Over the week, on the days it's not like downpouring, I've been driving the 240 to and from work, and I've had a couple issues so far. One of them I'm trying to figure out, but right now it's nothing serious. Like, driving wise, the car runs fine. It's only at idle, which is no big deal. I mean, it is kind of a big deal, but, you know, well, we'll figure it out. I think it has something to do with the tune, but just because my TPS is set and my idle air control valve is set, but it could be the idle air control valve, who knows, I don't know. Anyways, let me go ahead and lower the exposure. Jesus, dude. It's like hella overexposed today. Like, I'm at, my f-stop is like at 10 right now. This is ridiculous. My hair is probably a mess, but whatever. I need a haircut. This goddamn apocalypse is preventing me from getting a haircut right now. It's quite annoying, to be honest. Okay, so there we go. Let's see if we can. So these are the miles I'm at right now. I am literally at 300. I got 200 more miles to go. I'm gonna try and put it on today. It's with the current situation right now, it's really hard. Like, if I get pulled over in this car and I'm not like, oh yeah, I'm not getting anything essential, then I'm gonna be so screwed. But I actually do have to go and, ironically enough, get toilet paper today because we're all out and all the stores are all out, and I have to go to my dad's, so he's gonna hook me up. So that should put not 100 miles. It's probably going to put like 40 miles on it. But while I'm over there, there's a couple spots that I like over there that's actually really close to his house. I wanted to go get some exhaust clips of the car, drive the car around, and just set up my tripod on my camera and just, you know, have you guys listen to the blissfulness of this fucking machine, and hopefully it doesn't die. Well, right now what I'm actually gonna do, because I actually gotta wait, since I actually have to wait because he's busy and there's stuff I want to do, there's some things I'm gonna try and fix up. This is a little kinked, and maybe that's kind of stopping the airflow to my IVAC. Maybe that's why it's not responding correctly, I don't know. But I'm gonna straighten it out and just see what happens. We could have a vacuum leak somewhere, so I'm gonna go through the car real quick, see if there's a vacuum leak. The other problem I'm having is I think my brake booster's going out, and I can't really tell, and it probably is, I don't know. But it also could be this hose right here. This hose has a lot of I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. I'm trying to cut all these little cracks and stuff, so maybe it's just leaking air from the hose. Maybe the brake booster's fine, it's just leaking air out of this hose right here, because I did have to replace that hose over there for it. And this is a vacuum hose. These are just vacuum hoses for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. Yeah, I'm gonna kind of go through the car a little bit real quick, see what's going on. Just because at idle, what's happening is sometimes it will lean all the way out and then just bog and die. And I don't know why. Like, and it's random. It's not like it's a consistent thing. It's just every once in a while it just does that. So like the other night when I was driving it around, it did it when I came to a stop, and I was like, that's weird. Started back up, drove it around a little bit, nothing. And then the next day I started her up, let her warm up, she got up to temp, and then all of a sudden she just bogged out and died. So I don't know, kind of some weird shit. If you guys have any insight, you know, always comment down below, let me know your guys' thoughts and opinions and whatnot too, because I mean, that's kind of what this community is, you know. So it's a nice warm day. I have my camera in a really different spot because of it being so warm. I want that window down. It's my only window that works. Otherwise I'd roll this one down. I gotta figure that out later today too. But let's see how she does today. She always takes a little bit to start up. definitely takes a minute to start up. Dude, it's actually pretty warm. I might not even need my my hoodie today. So actually what I'm gonna be doing, since I gotta sit here and let this thing warm up, is first I'm gonna go get some gas, and then I'm gonna go, I'm actually gonna go over to Chuck's first to have him take a look at the car. He lives all the way up in Washington. It's about 30, well, he lives not too far in Washington, but he lives about 30 minutes away from me. And it will give me the chance to put the miles on that I need to put on this fucking car. So, and I can get a professional opinion today. So that's where I'm gonna go right now. I'm probably not gonna film just because I don't know. I don't really like filming other people's like houses or privacy without really their, you know, consent, I guess. Just because it's a privacy thing, you know. I respect people's privacy, so I just don't film unless I'm told I'm okay to. It's actually funny. There was one time I was like, oh, I'm just gonna keep making YouTube videos, so just keep filming whatever. And I actually went to a friend's house and was just hanging out with him, and he kind of got upset that I was filming. So yeah. So far everything's fine. I actually got to drive through pretty slow right here. Oh, look at that! I got to come to stop anyways. My brakes. So yeah, my brake booster's definitely not having a good time. Because like every time I hit my brakes, I lean out, and then we always have some fucking problems. Like, it's bad. Like right now, it's idling pretty good, but every time I hit my brakes, it leans out. So my brake booster's going out. So my brakes, like, they stop because I replaced them all. I bled them. I got new pads, I got new rotors, I got 2 new calipers on the back, or at least one. And yeah, they stop. You just can't slam on them. They come to a stop. They stop fine. Your pedal goes to the floor and it sucks. Old people looking at my car like, wow, that thing's broken. Like, yeah, you're right. It's a shit box. But you know what? I have a smile on my face. So I promised a couple sound clips and everything. I didn't realize how much later in the day it actually was, and there's actually some other stuff I was gonna do. So I'm actually just gonna rip it around the block a little bit. But I have my recorder hooked up. I think it's nice and tight. I don't know. We're about to find out. If it falls off, falls off. But yeah, I'm gonna just set my camera down, let it record, and then throw the fucking beauty in the background. So we'll go ahead. We'll rip it up and down the road a little bit, and yeah, been wanting to do these sound clips for a while now. But like I said, I'm working a fucking ass ton right now. So like my days are so short. Because there's, you know, I got other life stuff I gotta take care of, like shopping and all that stuff. But anyways, I'll get this done right now for you guys. Well, let's go slightly rip on this thing. just fucking did it. Like, I just pulled in the fucking driveway and it just fucking did it. Dude, it like ran rich all the way to like 9, and then it bounced to like 20, and then back to like 13, and then 20, and then died. Alright, yeah, so that was fucking weird. So that's what it's been doing, and that's what I think is tune related, because it's just not fucking, like, every time I do those little pulls, like, I can only imagine when I actually smash on this thing, that it's just gonna the fuel map is just gonna get all fucked up. So, I don't know, man. I'm just gonna pretty much take it easy until I get a new tune, which is going to be the next thing I do to this car, to be honest, because this tune is so unpredictable. Like, it's nothing that could be parts related, because I've virtually replaced everything on this car. So hopefully with a new tune it'll be better, and if it's still having the issue, I mean, at least I'll be able to take it to somebody who's able to fucking tune it, but locally. But anyways, with that, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna make some dinner, lunch, whatever you want to call it right now, because I'm fucking hungry. So I hope you guys enjoyed. By the way, I'm at 400 miles. I literally drove 100 miles today. So I'll pretty much hit my 500 tomorrow when I go to work, because it's 60 miles like round trip, and then I'll probably just drive around another 40 miles locally. Well, I mean, we'll see. I'm gonna baby it, because apparently if you smash on this thing, it just doesn't like it right now. So yeah, anyways, so with that, I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm gonna try and start it off with the send, but with this tune, man, I don't know. So stupid, but we'll see what happens. Anyways, stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for everything. And then also follow us on Facebook at Living the Drift Life. Huge page. We have a bunch of people. We share like everything. Anyways, with that, y'all have the rest of the good week. Hope everything's going well. You guys are staying safe. And I will see you guys all later. Okay, bye.